So now for this one, I'm gonna go over how to use live TV more, right? As you can see right now, we're on DIY Network HD, right? We have access to do a couple of things to this channel. If I hold the center button, I can either start recording again or I can add this channel to my favorites. Once I add it to my favorites, it now puts a star on that TV. You now have all the cool shows that you would normally have to pay an additional premium for. You now get access to these shows built in the app. I'm talking about dog TV. So if you're a dog lover, you like dogs, your dog wants to watch TV, you have access to that, right? Epix Movies, right? You can watch any movie channel that you want. I'm talking about HBO, Cinemax, Starz, Showtime, you name it, you have access to it right from this platform, right? So in this platform right here, you now have a cable style platform, but not cable prices. That's beautiful.